More news coming in. Well, protests have erupted outside the Bangladesh High Commission in Delhi at this point in time. Protests against killing of Hindu youth Deepu Das in Bangladesh. We're going to go straight across to these pictures as well. At this point in time, take a look. These are Hindu groups who are in fact protesting outside the Bangladesh High Commission against the targeting of Hindu youth in the country. Remember, relationship between both the countries in fact is really at an all-time low at this point in time. With Bangladesh also temporarily suspending visa and consular services at its High Commission in New Delhi amid rising concerns, security concerns related to the protesters. I'm going to go straight across to Shreya for more details on that story at this point in time. Shreya, this really explains why security was beefed up in such a big way. Take us to the details. What more can you tell us about these protests?
Well, Sneha, I'm roughly a kilometer away from the Bangladesh High Commission.
Okay.
This is where all the protesters have assembled to protest against the killing of Deepu Das in Bangladesh by a call that's been given by the Bajrang Dal and the VHP. You can see a significant number of people have actually gathered where they are protesting under the banner of the Sarbo Bharatiya Hindu Bengali Sangathan and the Probashi Bongyo Samaj. So these are the number of people who are protesting for the same reason. And I'll ask a few questions to the people that when you see this in Bangladeshi Guspetio Bharat Choro. Sir, क्या कहना चाहिए?
मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूं, जिस तरीके से बांग्लादेश के अंदर हिंदुओं पर लगातार जुल्म हो रहा है वो बंद होना चाहिए जल्द से जल्द, क्योंकि बांग्लादेश में लगातार चुन चुन कर हिंदुओं को मारा जा रहा है। बर्दाश्त नहीं करा जाएगा। बांग्लादेश सरकार होश में आओ और हिंदुओं पर अत्याचार बंद करो। आखिर कब तक वहां पर इस्लाम के नाम पर हिंदुओं की हत्या करते रहोगे? अगर उसने गलती करी तो उसको सजा देते ना, क्या मतलब बनता है उसको जिंदा जला दो चौराहे पे खड़ा करके? ये बहुत गलत है, नहीं होना चाहिए।
There's one person holding a very significant image of Muhammad Yunus where he's saying boycott Bangladesh. सर, आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
मोहम्मद यूनिस को तो इस्तीफा देके माफी भी मांगनी चाहिए पूरी दुनिया के सामने कि अगर वो सरकार और अपने देश का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं और एक हिंदू व्यक्ति को जिंदा जलाया जा रहा है तो बहुत गलत बात है। जिन जिन आदमियों ने ऐसा कृत्य किया है और जलाया, उनकी आईडी दुनिया के सामने जाहिर की जाए और उनको बताया जाए, उनका पासपोर्ट नंबर भी जारी करा जाए कि इन लोगों ने ऐसे एक आदमी को जलाया है, क्योंकि भारत सरकार को भी उस पर संज्ञान लेके जिन्होंने काम करा है इजराइल की तरह उन व्यक्तियों को भी चुन चुन के मारना चाहिए।
This is the number of people you see who've gathered. A significant number of people who've gathered over here. Visibly you can show. And now I'll ask you to see the kind of security beef up that's actually given by the Delhi police. The Delhi police have very significantly given a large number of security deployment, 2 layers of barricading, because this is where, Sneha, they will be stopped. They will not be allowed to move anywhere before this position. So clearly a high amount of security deployment, given that this protest will not be allowed in the vicinity of the Bangladesh High Commission, given the sensitive security layer of this area. But huge number of people, I would say, have gathered against the call of the VHP and the Bajrang Dal to protest against the killing of Deepu Das.
The minority protection in the country, in Bangladesh, since there's been a pattern to all of this. Shreya, tell us about the Indian government's position as far as these concerns are concerned, and also the fact that these aren't just protests in Delhi outside the Bangladesh High Commission. We have protests that are being seen in Kolkata as well, for example. In that sense, India and Bangladesh are tied, you know, these developments in the country can't be really seen in isolation. There is a clear-cut pattern to atrocities against minorities.
Absolutely, Sneha. It cannot.
Yes.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. And a lot of people living in India, because they are linguistically connected to Bangladesh, the kind of images, the kind of visuals that's coming in from Bangladesh, especially against the Hindu community, somewhere down the line, infuriates a lot of people in the country, because irrespective of what's happening right now, the past of Bangladesh and India is well connected, and that's the reason you see these are the people who are protesting for the same reason. Bengali people, I'd also like to mention, who've actually gathered, Sneha, for this protest. And what you see over here is anger amongst them, because a lot of them also have people living across the border. मैम, आप लोगों के कई रिश्तेदार भी बांग्लादेश में रहते हैं?
रिश्तेदार है, मैं खुद विक्टिम हूँ।
भारत को स्वाधीन हुआ था, वहाँ से हमारा रिश्तेदार बड़े बड़े जो लड़कियां हैं सब यहाँ भेजा है। वहाँ कोई नहीं रह पा रहा है, स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहा है, और हर साल हम लोग डर के मारे यहाँ पे भी जी रहा हूँ कि क्या है, कब क्या खबर आए वहाँ से कॉलेज नहीं जा पा रहा है। वहाँ से हमारा जितने रिश्तेदार है सभी को लड़कियों को यहाँ भेजा जा रहा है। इतना आतंक हमारा अंदर है। हर साल दुर्गा पूजा आएंगे तो हम यहाँ रोते रहता है कि वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ चलते रहेंगे। आप लोग यहाँ पे हमारे बहुत सारे लोग हैं बंगाली कम्युनिटी के जो बांग्लादेश में रहते हैं, उनके रिश्तेदार रहते हैं, क्या वो भी
बिल्कुल जी, मैं तो सबसे पहले एक चीज़ बांग्लादेश को यहाँ से सख्त चेतावनी देना चाहता हूँ कि चाहे हमारे पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर भारत का कोई भी सदस्य रह रहा हो, कोई भी रह वो भारत का ही नागरिक है। जैसे इजराइल के लिए उसके लिए हर एक नागरिक की पूरी जिम्मेदारी है, ऐसी भारत के हर एक नागरिक की जिम्मेदारी है। और बार बार वो सेवन सिस्टर पर उंगली उठाता है। तो मैं उसको यहाँ से खुली चेतावनी देना चाहता हूँ कि वो हम बांग्लादेश के 7 टुकड़े करके रहेंगे और 1971 वो ना भूले। जब हमें छेड़ा है तब हमने छोड़ा नहीं है किसी को भी।
Somewhere down the line, people are giving a reference to the 1971 liberation of Bangladesh, and see the kind of people. Just give you a sense of visual. Not a very few in number. Quite a number of people have actually gathered in protest. Some of them have also carried a putla to actually burn the putla over here. So this is the kind of anger that's there in people, and you can see they are holding this effigy that they choose to burn outside the Bangladesh High Commission. In the effigy, they are saying Bangladesh Murdabad. So this is the kind of anger that you see in people. This is the kind of sentiment that is here, and you see the effigy is saying Bangladesh Murdabad. They protest to burn it over here. So clearly anger in people, but that's not stopping the Delhi police to actually pep up their security, because the number of security cordon that the Delhi police has given clearly suggests that people will not be allowed to move from here. Double layer of security, riot control vehicles at spot, huge number of police deployment. This is where the protest will be stopped, but sentiment in people, anger in people about whatever is transpiring in Bangladesh.